What happens to these two things in hyperinflation? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates and show some world coins. So let's get started. Good morning, everybody. We made it to Thursday. Happy Thursday, everybody. One more day and it's Friday and the weekend. For all you retired folks, congratulations, you woke up. And I can't really laugh at that because I'm getting there with you folks. 60 years old and still waking up early, still going to work. Wish I was retired, but that's just not happening, guys. This morning, guys, we're talking about our gold and silver updates. What's happening to silver and gold? Well, we all know. Guys, we're going to talk about this, and we're going to talk about silver. Guys, we're going to talk about that this morning, what the relationship is right now with these two things. This is a Venezuela 1 million Bolivar. I believe that's how you pronounce it. But we're going to talk about this morning. It's pretty important. It's talking about hyperinflation. We'll be talking about that at the end of the video when we show a couple world coins. But before we get started, everybody, happy coffee, everybody. It's super early. It's 4:15. I'm trying to get this done so that we can get it posted by 6 or 5:30 or something. And I'll have to be off to work. Got a big day ahead of us. It's tiring, but hey, you do what you got to do, right, to earn a living. So just a normal guy right here in Oklahoma, United States of America, guys, just like you, just like you, just like you. So, hey, everybody, thank you so very much for pushing the video yesterday. Thank you for pushing that algorithm. You know, we're all fighting the small channels. We're fighting that algorithm, and it's killing a lot of small channels. So, working really hard to keep it going for you folks. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for being viewers. Guess what? Remember this amazing, expensive, guys, a very expensive Goldback. It's the 250th anniversary Washington, D.C. Goldback. If you haven't seen it, everybody, this is one of the giveaways, or a giveaway in March. If we hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this month, which it could happen. We're going to give not only this, but then we're going to give an ounce of silver away with it. But if we don't do that, then once we hit 10,000 subscribers, if after March, into March, after March. Then we're just going to give this away. This is a big giveaway, guys. Go look this up. PMG 67, number 299 of 250,000 Goldback, everybody. That Goldback so generously provided for our channel to you, the viewers, everybody. So remember that. So everybody, thanks all over the world. And remember, on these giveaways, I pay the shipping in the U.S. If somebody wins it out of the country, we have to make arrangements for you to pay for the shipping because it's just too expensive. Not something I can really pick up and do. But I do, out of the bottom of my heart, provide the shipping and everything. And the giveaways too, except for that Goldback. That Goldback's awesome, guys. So what is gold and silver doing today? Let's take a look at it. Guys, it dropped yesterday. You know, we said there's always a possibility of silver dropping every day or even going up every day. But, yesterday, I didn't think it was going to drop down to 84. We were down $3 an ounce at one time. So, but what is causing that? Well, we all know what's causing that, because every time the United States markets really open up, silver drops $4 or $5 an ounce. $1.50 an ounce. And then overnight it goes up. It rockets up, guys. Oh my gosh. I think the manipulators are United States, everybody. So gold this morning is 51.76.70, and it's up $1.50. So happy coffee. We're still up this morning. We still got today and tomorrow to hit that 90 mark. If it's going to do it. So make sure you comment. What's it going to do by Friday, everybody? What's gold and silver going to do by Friday? Let's comment on this stuff. Hey, let's bring platinum into it, man. Platinum's a good one to get into. Let's bring platinum in. Let's bring palladium. What do you guys think it's going to hit? You guys look at Kitco just like I do. I just like to bring the information to you first in the mornings, and it's just a blast. So silver is 86.79 right now. That is up $1.17, guys. So it's funny how it goes up overnight while we're all sleeping. Now, some of you are not sleeping right now, like South Africa, guys. Hey, buddy, I know you're up. I know you're up. So, hey, also kudos to all of my members, guys. Members, thank you so very much. You help support this channel and help support giveaways like this and like this. And it helps me do those things, everybody. So members, thank you so very much. Folks, well, everybody, thank you so very much. Just watching these videos through is helping me with this too. So I appreciate you. So silver, 86.77. What's it going to do today? Are we going to go up? We're going to go down. We always got big news for silver. Green lights are on. There's always big news for silver. Big news when it goes down. Big news when it goes up. No doom and gloom, guys, because if it goes down, it's a buying opportunity. If it goes up, it's making money. I had conversations with my son last night trying to convince him to invest his money. He says, I got this amount sitting in the bank. And I'm like, sitting in the bank? It's time to diversify, folks. Get your money out of the bank. And I'm not a financial advisor. It's common sense. Get your money out of the bank. Buy some silver. Buy some gold. Keep some money in the bank. Diversify into 401ks. Diversify into real estate, guys. This is your protection. I'm telling you, the governments are not going to protect you. You are. I am. So platinum is $21.79, up $12. So far, it's the winner this morning, and it's doing really good. Palladium's the winner this morning. It's up $28. Platinum's up $12. So palladium is $1,647. So really, technically, the metals are doing pretty good. So what is going to happen today? I mean, are we going to go up on these metals? So, hey, it's all good, everybody. Like I said, if it goes up, you're making your money. You're doing well. If it goes down, you're able to buy more silver. You hold your silver. It's a long-term investment, everybody. It can be a short-term too. So if you buy really, really cheap and it rockets up $15 and you go sell it and you make $8 an ounce, on the spread, and you make $8. So you're making money. So I wouldn't recommend that. I've done it. But if you need the money, then you can cash in your silver. Guys, if it's in the bank, all right, it's sitting there doing nothing, right? Nothing. But if you buy silver right here, it's making money. It's doing well. It's staying expensive. It's staying up in value. It's not devaluating like the dollar, guys. So all you're doing is taking it from this place to this place. All right. You're holding it here. You got someone else controlling it here, and this is going down and this is going up. So remember that. Hong Kong, guys, 51.60. Oh, let me refresh this because I don't ever refresh this in the mornings. And really, it needs to be refreshed when showing these markets. So 51.68.95 on gold in Hong Kong. They're at 85.42 on silver. They're down from yesterday. Happy sippy cup blueberry mountain coffee. Man, that stuff's good, everybody. Mumbai's down. Mumbai's down. So, wow, 84.47 on silver. Wow, 51.43.30 on gold. And let's look at the gold to silver ratio. Gold to silver ratio looks like silver is still kind of holding its own. With gold, it's actually performing better than gold is. It's at 59.67 on the GSR. If you don't know what the GSR, guys, is, it's the gold to silver ratio. So everything's doing great. Goldbacks, guys, ended up at 1033 yesterday. Goldbacks, baby. 1033 exchange rate. So a $5 gold back, let's just round it to $10, is $50. So, a few months ago, it was $30. Just saying. Great way to own fractional gold. Goldbacks, guys. Let's move on to our base metals. Copper's at 583, nickel at 785. Aluminum, $1.59 and $1.49 on zinc, everybody. What is our, the Bitcoin boy? Bitcoin right now is down. Imagine that. 69,696.41. Guys, it's digital. I hate to be that way, but it's digital. Look, if we go to a digital currency, guys, and they tell you in a one world government, and they tell you the only way you're going to be able to buy food or groceries or have a job is you have to have the mark or digital currency. That's the only system of payment we're going to give you. But you have this. This is going to be your safe haven. You just remember that. Digital currency, in my opinion, is not a good thing. So 69,696.41. If you're going to make money on Bitcoin, guys, right now, you better do it and get out and get your money and turn it into silver and gold. That's all I'm saying. That's my opinion, even though I'm not a financial advisor. That's my opinion on that, guys. So let's check out the Shanghai, and then we're going to go over these once again and show some coins. Okay, so the Shanghai this morning, guys, it's always quite a bit higher. It's at $98.82 on Shanghai spot, everybody. So it's quite a bit higher than we are. In the India spot, India's a big player. They're at 89.77. So every time the United States markets open up, boom, silver tends to go down, guys. I think we're a big influencer in the silver price, and the manipulator, one of the biggest manipulators in silver right now. And I think it's just going to keep going on. But they can only do it so long before the paper crashes. We just need to go to one price, and it's physical. Physical only, guys. If we just went to physical, I think we would be much better. Silver would rocket. Let's get to talking about, one more time, our prices, and then we're going to talk about some hyperinflation and some world coins, everybody. So 51.79.10 right now on gold, 86.73 on silver. Is it going to go up today? Is it going to go down? We're going to find out pretty quick. So probably by the time you're watching this video. So let's check out some coins and let's talk hyperinflation, everybody. So let's talk about some world coins, everybody, and then we're going to discuss hyperinflation and what silver has to do with hyperinflation, what kind of relationship and what happens to silver when we go into hyperinflation. But we're going to show you some coins first. I popped out this one. This is 1997 Fiji coin because it was really cool. Golly, check that out. I thought this was a very, very cool world coin, 1997. Not that ancient, not that numismatic, but nevertheless, it is a very, very cool coin. Fiji 1997. Guys, you can obtain these really, really cheap to learn about history. Heck, you could probably do a college project on these if you're a young person and you're in college. So this stuff, like I said, we're giving a lot of this to the grandkids. They're going to have a lot of fun with it in the future. Excuse me, these dang allergies, guys. Let's look at a 49 Haiti, a 1949 Haiti. I thought this was, we all know about Haiti, but I thought this was a very, very cool coin, everybody. So I thought, well, let's bring this thing out and let's check this out. 1949 Haiti. So, wow. Anyway, very cool world coin, everyone. And then I've got one more that I want to show you. And then we're going to talk about something else. And we're going to show something else, too. It's pretty cool. Argentina, 1990. I brought this one out also because it's pretty cool. Still has some 1940 stuff, a bunch of Austria stuff left. 1,000, guys. So Argentina. Wow. Nice little coin, everybody. Nice little coin. So let's talk about something that I was really thinking hard yesterday on. And everybody kind of knows what's going on over in Venezuela. But I don't think a lot of people truly know what is going on in Venezuela. Guys, this is 1 million, I think they call it Bolivar. Anyway, that right there at one time, SSC would be an extremely wealthy man. Okay. That one of these, everyone, one of these was worth over 100,000, possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars on 1 million Bolivar. All right. Over $100,000 easily. So these things, guys, Venezuela went into hyperinflation. And when they went into hyperinflation, guess what happened to these? These did that. They crashed. And when I mean crashed, no value whatsoever. These are about, excuse me, are about a penny to 2 pennies a piece. So over 100,000, worth over 100,000, well over 100,000 US dollars to under a penny to 2 cents, under a penny a piece. Guys, this at some point is what's going to happen to that. This is why we have silver. This is why we have silver, everybody, right here. This is why we stack silver. This is why we stack gold. And it's because of these things. And you know what? It can easily happen to the US dollar. It can easily happen to the pound, guys, in countries right now. And here's another one. 1922. Okay, these German marks, coins. These are aluminum, guys. Aluminum, folks. The reason why is because they were in hyperinflation. So they couldn't make silver coins. So why do we have this and these and stacking bars and all that stuff? We do it because it's a safe haven. Why do central banks stack silver, stack bars, stack gold? It's a safe haven, guys. Hyperinflation. If hyperinflation happens, we are in trouble. That means that this is gone. But we have this. what happens if the United States, what would happen if we went into hyperinflation? What would happen to silver? Silver could easily go $1,000 or more plus per ounce if we went into hyperinflation, everybody. So when you watch these channels that are guaranteeing on their reputation that we're going to go into $1,000 an ounce, $2,000 an ounce, there's right now, I mean, we would have to really be in trouble financially in this country. And it's not happening right now. Hyperinflation is not here. We're a ways away from that, guys, a ways away. So hyperinflation, yeah, we would see $1,000 an ounce plus. But guess who would have silver? You would. You would, folks. You would have the silver. You would have your gold. And you would have buying power. That's why we try to teach all the young people and want the young people to get into this is for this, to combat this. This is hyperinflation. This is the most perfect example of hyperinflation there is, everybody. There's a lot of money right there, a lot of money. So, but it's not, what is this? Couple bucks for all of it, and at one point that's probably well over $1 million, well, 2 million, $3 million right there, guys, or a couple million, whatever. Anyway, so that's my point on hyperinflation, everybody. And silver, this is why we stack silver, is because of this. And, because of that. Aluminum coins, guys. So everybody have a great Thursday. We're almost to Friday. We'll see you Friday. What is silver going to do by Friday? We had a nice big dip yesterday. Are we on our way back up again? We're going to find out today. We're going to find out tomorrow. Everybody have a fantastic Thursday. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. I'm out.